Welcome to Healthy Conversation. Question: Christmas is the festival of dash. A. Sikhs, B. Christians, C. None. Correct answer is B. Christians. Christmas is the festival of Christians. Question: Holi is the festival of A. Colors, B. Lights, C. None. Correct answer is A. Colors. Holi is the festival of colors. Question: National festivals are celebrated by all the people of the dash. A. Country, B. Street, C. None. Correct answer is A. Country. National festivals are celebrated by all the people of the country. Question: Diwali is the festivals of dash. A. Colors, B. Lights, C. None. Correct answer is B. Lights. Diwali is the festivals of lights. Question: Christmas is celebrated on dash every year. A. 25 November, B. 25 December, C. None. Correct answer is B. 25 December. Christmas is celebrated on 25 December every year. Question: Guru Parvs are the festivals of dash. A. Muslim, B. Hindu, C. Sikhs. Correct answer is C. Sikhs. Guru Parvs are the festivals of Sikh. Question: Eid is the festival of dash. A. Muslim, B. Hindu, C. Sikh. Correct answer is A. Muslim. Eid is the festival of Muslim. Question: Independence Day is celebrated on dash every year. A. 26 August, B. 26 March, C. 26 January. Correct answer is C. 26 January. Independence Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. Question: Republic Day is celebrated on dash every year. A. 15 August, B. 15 March, and C. 15 January. Correct answer is A. 15 August. Republic Day is celebrated on 15 August every year. Question: Dash marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. A. Gandhi Jayanti, B. Jesus Christ, and C. None. Correct answer is A. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Question: Plants give us dash. A. Water, B. Food, C. None. Correct answer is B. Food. Plants give us food. Question. Big and strong plants are called dash. A. Trees. B. Herbs. C. Shrubs. Correct answer is A. Trees. Big and strong plants are called trees. Question. Plants that need support to stand straight are called dash. A. Creepers. B. Climbers. C. Herbs. Correct answer is B. Climbers. Plants that need support to stand straight are called climbers. Question. Plants that have soft green stems dash. A. Creepers. B. Climbers. C. Herbs. Correct answer is C. Herbs. Plants that have soft green stems, herbs, are called herbs. Question. Plants that creep along the ground are called dash. A. Creepers. B. Climbers. C. Herbs. Correct answer is A. Creepers. Plants that creep along the ground are called creepers. Question. Plants that have weak stems are called dash. A. Creepers. B. Climbers. C. Herbs. Correct answer is B. Climbers. Plants that have weak stems are called climbers. Question. Which fruit is called the king of fruits? A. Banana. B. Apple. C. Mango. Correct answer is C. Mango. Mango fruit is called the king of fruits. Question. Which is the national flower of India? A. Hibiscus. B. Lotus. C. Rose. Correct answer is B. Lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. Question. Which is the national tree of India? A. Banyan tree. B. Bamboo tree. C. Custard tree. Correct answer is A. Banyan tree. Banyan tree is the national tree of India. Question. Which is the domestic animal? A. Giraffe. B. Horse. C. Zebra. Correct answer is B. Horse. Horse is the domestic animal. Question. Which is the pet animal? A. Giraffe. B. Parrot. C. Zebra. Correct answer is B. Parrot. Parrot is the pet animal. Question. Which is the wild animal? A. Camel. B. Cow. C. Zebra. Correct answer is C. Zebra. Zebra is the wild animal. Question. Which is the tallest animal? A. Camel. B. Giraffe. C. Elephant. Correct answer is B. Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Question: which animal is also called as king of jungle? A. Lion, B. Tiger, C. Elephant. Correct answer is A. Lion. Lion is also called as a king of jungle. Question: which animal can sleep while standing up? A. Horse, B. Goat, C. Cat. Correct answer is A. Horse. Horse can sleep while standing up. Question: which is the largest animal? A. Octopus, C. Elephant, B. Elephant and C. Whale. Correct answer is C. Whale. Whale is the largest animal. Question: animals that live in water are called A. domestic animal, B. wild animal, C. water animal. Correct answer is C. water animal. Animals that live in water are called water animal. Question: dash is the fastest means of transport? A. air transport, B. water transport, C. land transport. Correct answer is A. air transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Question: it is a means of land transport? A. bus, B. boat, C. helicopter. Correct answer is A. bus. Bus is a means of land transport. Question: dash is the fastest means of transport? A. train, B. machine, C. none. Question: dash move on water and carry a large number of people? A. train, B. ship and C. boat. Correct answer is B. ship. Ship move on water and carry a large number of people. Question: dash move fast on iron tracks? A. car, B. tram, C. train. Correct answer is C. train. Train move fast on iron tracks. Question: at present, dash is only used in Kolkata? A. metro, B. train, C. tram. Correct answer is C. tram. At present, tram is only used in Kolkata. Question: which vehicle is used by manpower? A. scooter, B. auto rickshaw, C. bicycle. Correct answer is C. bicycle. Bicycle is used by manpower. Question: the sun rises in the dash? A. east, we waste, C. None. Correct answer is A. East. The sun rises in the east. Question. The sun sets in the dash. A. East, B. West, C. None. Correct answer is B. West. The sun sets in the west. Question. Dash gives us heat and light. A. Stars, B. Sun, C. Moon. Correct answer is B. Sun. Sun gives us heat and light. Dash has 7 colors. A. Rainbow, B. Sun, and C. Moon. Correct answer is A. Rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. Question. Dash is a big ball of fire. A. Earth, B. Sun, C. Moon. Correct answer is B. Sun. Sun is a big ball of fire. Question. Dash has multicolored stripes. A. Stars, B. Sun, C. Rainbow. Correct answer is C. Rainbow. Rainbow has multicolored stripes. Question. Dash looks blue during the day. A. Earth, B. Sky, C. Moon. Correct answer is B. Sky. Sky looks blue during the day. Question. Dash keeps changing its shape every night. A. Earth, B. Stars, C. Moon. Correct answer is C. Moon. Moon keeps changing its shape every night. Question. Dash has no lights of its own. A. Moon, B. Sun, C. None. Correct answer is A. Moon. Moon has no lights of its own. Question. Dash have their own light. A. Stars, B. Moon, C. None. Correct answer is A. Stars. Stars have their own light. Question. Dash twinkles at night in the sky. A. Stars, B. Moon, C. Sun. Correct answer is A. Stars. Stars twinkles at night in the sky. Question. Parents and their children make a dash. A. Members, B. Things, C. Family. Correct answer is C. Family. Parents and their children make a family. Question. Our mother's parents are called our dash parents. A. Maternal, B. Paternal, C. Family. Correct answer is A. Maternal. Our mother's parents are called our maternal parents. Question. Dash help us to grow? A. Nuts. B. Pulses. C. None. Correct answer is B. Pulses. Pulses help us to grow. Question. Dash light says stop? A. Red. B. Yellow. C. None. Correct answer is red. Red light says stop. Dash is a place where we go to play. A. Park. B. Hospital. C. None. Correct answer is A. Park. Park is a place where we go to play. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.